Hey, if you use utility knives like these that have those razor blades that are angled, or you carry a pocket knife like this that uses that same utility blade and even has a spare compartment for more, then you want to buy good blades because you can buy those packs of 50 made in China and they just don't last. You cut cardboard with them and they're not working anymore. They're dull as heck. These DeWalts made in the USA, you're going to get 5 in the pack. They're going to cost you probably what it costs to get 50 of the cheap garbage ones, but these are going to last. They've got a carbide edge on them here, hardened steel, and it's just a much higher quality. So the use in your pocket knife or in your utility knife, it's going to be there for a lot longer. You're not going to have to mess with taking it apart and changing the blades out and all that. This is a really old one here, a rusted up, tore up blade. I'm just going to update it here. And now I've got a brand new knife when I put this back into place and back into service. So definitely would recommend. Sharp as heck, as you know, any razor blade's going to be. But the difference is, with these being a carbon blade, they're going to last and you're going to have it for a long time. And the hassle of having a dull knife is not going to be a problem for you. So definitely would recommend. Hey, hope that helps. Have a great day.